Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the language in Microsoft Excel. Begin by opening Microsoft Excel. Next, go to the File tab, then click on Options. In the Excel Options dialog box, navigate to the Language section. Under Choose Editing Languages, click the drop-down menu to select your preferred language from the list of available languages. If the language you want isn't listed, you can add it by clicking Add Additional Editing Languages. Once you have made your language selection and any additional adjustments, click OK to confirm the changes. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.